Hi everybody, my name is Lakidra. I work in technical support for MrSteam, and today we're going to talk about how to plug in 3 accessories into your generator. These specific accessories are the ChromaSteam 3, the AudioSteam 3, and the Steam Links. Now here we see all these accessories mounted on the wall behind me. Let us assume that each accessory has been properly connected to its respective components. Each of these 3 accessories connect with the same type of connector on the PC board. Fortunately, we have 3 of those connectors on the PC board all together in the upper left-hand corner. It doesn't matter which one you start with, but we're going to start with the AudioSteam. This here is the connector cable for your AudioSteam 3. You pass it through the punch hole that's on the right-hand side of your generator, right near where your controller is plugged in. You bring it over to the upper left-hand corner of the PC board, and holding it like so, you slide it down over these pins. Push it down good and secure, and move on. Next, your ChromaSteam 3 has the same type of connector. You pass that through the punch hole, bring it over to the upper left-hand corner, find the next connector that's open, slide it over the pins, press it down securely, and move on. Finally, Steam Links, again, the same type of connector. Pass it through the punch hole, slide it down over the pins on the connector, press it down good and tight. We can plug the electrical cables into our electrical outlets, turn on the power from the generator, turn on the generator from the iSteam, download the Steam Links app, and we're ready to go. This is Lakidra. Thanks for watching.